Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bluehost easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log into your Bluehost account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Bluehost. Begin by selecting the My Sites tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Site button to start a new website configuration. Enter your site name and tagline in the provided fields. Click on the Next button to continue. Select the domain name you wish to use for your website from the drop-down menu. If you don't have a domain yet, you can register a new one at this stage. After selecting your domain, click Next to proceed. You will now be prompted to choose your preferred plugins. Select any plugins you would like to install, then click Next. Bluehost will now start creating your site. This may take a moment. Once the site setup is complete, click on Start Building to access the WordPress dashboard. From here, familiarize yourself with the menu options available on the left. To customize your site's appearance, navigate to Appearance and then Themes. Choose a theme that suits your website. You can preview it before activation. After selecting a theme, click on Activate to apply. Now, go to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can adjust your site title, tagline, and time zone. Next, navigate to Pages to create your website's foundational pages, such as Home, About, and Contact. Click on Add New to start creating each page. Include relevant content and images for each page, then publish when ready. To set a home page, go back to Settings and select Reading. Choose a static page and select the page you want as your home page. Save your changes once again. Now, head to Plugins to install additional plugins for functionality, like SEO or security. Click Add New and search for the desired plugins, then click Install Now. After installation, activate each plugin to enable its features. Finally, explore the customization options to tailor your site's look and feel. Make sure everything is set up to your satisfaction before going live. Your Bluehost configuration is now complete, and you're ready to publish your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.